So, welcome to our Wednesday webinar. Today you're going to see how to create from your project what you see here on the left side to a 2D workshop drawing, which you can here see as a PDF file. Yeah, we will go step by step through this, that you see how to create an individual workshop drawing, yeah, with your own company logo and your measurements. Yeah, so I'm gonna close this, and here in this example I just have a simple cabinet with two doors. Yeah, you can also see here how it looks like. So, and when you have any questions, you can write it in the chat. I will always keep an eye on it, and then we can start. Yeah. So when you want to have a workshop drawing, you click here on the File tab and here Export 2D. So, and then you can remove or take a tick on dimensions room, or you leave it. Yeah, you can also see, do you just want to have the front view, just the top view, side view, or all views? Yeah, we export here now all views. And then on all views, and then the TrunCAD gets automatically opened. Yeah, so you see here all views. You can here zoom in. Yeah, you see here also the drillings, and you can also let them here disappear. Yeah, in a layer you have here more layers. So, but first of all, you want to have a template. Yeah, so to load a template, you click here on a File tab and here New from Template. You click on here, and here you have already some default templates. When you click here on Metric, then it just takes a while till it's loaded. So now you see it's loaded, and here you see you have different standards. Yeah, I already prepared some, but we for you just have unit millimeter, for example. That is how we do it now. That is a default template, and when you make a tick on Edit Template, and then you click here on Open, then you see here you have here another tab. Yeah, and here I think for you it would be in English language. Otherwise, you can also double click on this, and you can change this. Yeah. Yeah. For example, this when you call it general and save it, it would be later on saved. Yeah. You have here also two layers here. Go step by step through it. Yeah. First of all, you can, here now you see it's also general. Yeah. And when you click here on, not on view, on draw, and then insert bitmap, you can load your own logo of your company. Yeah. Here you have the pathway. Yeah. I'm here in a C in a software folder, TrunCAD texture. And here I just load the TrunCAD JPEG file. I open it, and you see here I have it now on my mouse, and it's really big. Yeah, here on the top you can change the scale, the width of it. Yeah, I change it to 60, and then you see it's getting automatically smaller. And when the chain is activated, the proportion will be there. And then you can here also zoom in. And you can place here your logo. Yeah. So just appearing. And then you click here back, and here you can also add other text. Yeah, I call it here also TrunCAD. Here you can choose where on the bottom left where it's the reference points, and then you click here OK. You can here also change the size of it. Here, and you can add your own text. Yeah. Delete, then it's disappearing. So I'm pretty sure, because I have here, I changed here the language, but on TrunCAD it's still in German. You can also just here double click it and change it. But in your software it should be in English, because of the system language. Yeah, you have system language English, and my system language is on a default German. So when you have set this, you can also create here a new layer. Yeah, you have here a layer list, and when you click here on plus, here is appearing a new layer. You can call it like dimension. So here you can also choose line weight and the color, and then you click here OK, and then it's appearing here. Yeah, that we will use later on. So yeah, now you have seen how to get the template, how to change it, how to add your bitmap, your logo, yeah, and how to get a new layer like for dimensions. So when this is done, we can move a step forward, and you click here on File, and then Save As. Yeah, and here you can save as your own template, because now it is the default, and here you can save it as, I call it now webinar workshop drawing. And then here you can also choose a folder. Yeah, I save it now in this folder, webinar underline workshop drawing. We're gonna save this. Yeah, then this is your default now, and you can use it for every workshop drawing. Yeah, then we can here also close it, and then we are back on the beginning, and because now we have made the setup, you can click now on File and click here on New from Template. You click here in the metric folder again. You could also save it here again. Then you would save one click. So now we are here in the metric folder. And when we scroll down, it's here on the end. You see here webinar workshop drawing. And now we don't click on edit template, we just create a new drawing. We click on here, yeah. So then that is our new drawing, and that is already done so far. And then we go here back to our views, and here you can choose the views. Yeah, do you want to have all views or just one view? And I just go with the mouse here and mark this, and then you can click here on edit, and click here on cut. Yeah, or when you click Control C, then it's copied. And then we go back to this tab. And here you can click on Edit again and click on Paste. So, and what's important now is that you set here the right scale. Yeah, that you have here scale 1. So, and then you click it on or escape, then it's done. So, and now we can set the dimensions. Therefore, we have here the layer dimensions. We click on it, and you can also go here to edit again and to drawing preferences. And here, when you click here on dimension setting, you can keep it proportions. You can change the height of the text. Yeah, you can here also change the arrow style, and also here the precision. Yeah, so how precise should it be? Yeah, then you click here on apply, and then here you see it also for linear dimensions and angular dimensions. Yeah, you click on apply and then okay. So, and then you can click here, either here dimension tool or here dimensions, and here you can now make the horizontals. Yeah. So the layer is active now. You can here scroll in, and you can here set the dimension. Yeah, so you click on this line. Here you can scroll over. Yeah, that you keep in eye. It depends how precise you want to have it, that you are here. You can now. I accidentally changed it, yeah, from standard to another one, and now I have set it back here, edit, drawing preferences, I set it back here, dimension label front. It's 1000, yeah. You can also make here the other measurements. Yeah, it's active here. You can click on here and you can set the dimensions how you want to have it. Yeah, when you have any questions, just let me know in the chat. So you can do the same also here for angles, yeah, especially when you have a sloping roof. Yeah, then you click here on a first and here on a second one, and then you see here's the angle. In this case, it's 90 degrees. And you can do here also set the vertical dimensions. Yeah, like here from the top. You can choose so to where do you want it, to here or to here. Like this here, I wasn't so precise. You can also click escape and you can set it again. A point zero tolerance. Point. So you can also do it here when you click on this, you can click in here and measure, set some measurements on here. And when you are done, we need to change the scale of this. Yeah, we can click here, escape, and we go back, that here is the mouses. I pressed a few times escape, and now you can just mark this, and you click here on edit and also cut and edit and paste again. And here you can change the scale. Yeah, it needs to be bigger. You see 5 is still not enough. So 10, you can make it even bigger. Yeah, you can also click like 13. And then you see the scale is getting bigger. So, and then you can look how you want to have it. And then you click it and then it's there. So then we are almost done. We want to print it now or have it also on a drawing. And therefore you can click here on the print preview button. You click on here. And here we need also change the scale. Yeah. You can also choose, shall it be vertical or horizontal, and we need to change it here also to 1 to 13. And when you click on here, then it's automatically in the center, and now it's perfectly fitting. everything. And yeah, now you can print it directly when you click here on File and click here on Print. Then you can choose your printer, or you click here Print to PDF. And when you click here on Print, then you can save it as a PDF file. I call it now webinar. Workshop drawing. And I will save it. Here you see I saved some more for preparation and testing. And now it's here. And I'm saving it. And the other way is you can also click here on PDF or File and export PDF. It doesn't matter, it's the same. When you click on here, you can also choose the folder where you want to save it. I will save this one in another folder. Here I go to the software folder in TrunCAD, and here English webinars, and I call it here also webinar workshop drawing 2D. And I save it. So, and you see here that in the QCAD, and this is a DXF file, and it is still untitled. And you can also click here on File and save it as. And here you can also choose your folder. I choose the software folder, also here TrunCAD 20XX in a webinar, English webinar folder. And here you see it's a DXF file, and I call it here now webinar workshop drawing. So then you can also later on change it, yeah, or add something, and you have it saved as a DXF file as well as a PDF file. Yeah. Now we can close this, and we can, you see here the layer also changed, yeah, webinar workshop drawing. We can discard it. So here, yeah, we are here in the TrunCAD 20XX folder. I go to English webinar, and here you see that is our DXF file, and here is workshop drawing. I open it with Adobe, and here you see our PDF file. Yeah, you can also print it on here. When you click here, File and Print, then you can here also print it. Yeah. So then we are done for today. You will see when you go here, I can also copy this link and paste it in the chat. Yeah, you will see later on, this is recorded and it will be uploaded here. And when I minimize this, here you see our webinar plan. So next week you see also individual freeforms. We also work there in a QCAD for, yeah, like freeforms, rectangular pockets, circular pockets, and how to do this. Yeah. Then the following weeks, you see we make a webinar about prices and calculations And on the 19th of October, you see the media wall unit. So I thank you for your attention and have fun with TrunCAD. And when you have any questions or issues, you just click here on the Help tab on Web Formula. And here you can create a ticket. You just write down your email address, your name and phone number, your category. Here it could be also QCAD. So and you write down your subject. And what is important is that you attach always a hotline zip file, which you find also here in the software folder in TrunCAD 20XX. And here in a backup folder, you see here the hotline zip file, it's automatically getting overwritten. Yeah. So we are looking forward and successful cooperation, and take care. Thank you for your attention. Bye.